Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and as you could probably tell already, there's no webcam around here. I'll just briefly explain to you this as we get in. Yeah, so whenever I tried to use my webcam today, it started to crash every time, so we're gonna have to do without it. So let's think of a name. No. Red something. Red. No. I don't. Has to be a good name for the video. Okay, so I'm gonna be JakePlays. That was supposed to pronounce it. We're gonna join a game now. There we go. Okay, we're just starting. Let's see how we do. It's pretty good. I think I'm winning. I wonder how old the people are that I'm playing. Oh no. It's a little weird to think about. I wonder what's going through their heads right now. Come on, guys. You can't just let me. Oh no. You can't just let me win like this. I hope next game I'll just get somebody who's harder to put a challenge. I think I'm just gonna wait it out. Okay, here we go. Got first place by only a second. I don't believe that. Okay, let's wait for another game to come, and we're gonna start. Here we go. 4 people in. 3 of us are red. Since I think I'm the one in front. I don't like what? Why? You kids gotta do your homework, okay? Now this is just going to be a boring video where I'm just going to be ahead all the time. Okay, how about this? If I lose, like get second place or something, or lower than that, I'm gonna have to yell at the top of my lungs something that I want to yell. I don't know what I'm gonna yell at yet, but I'm gonna yell something. I don't know what that something is gonna be. But yeah. I don't know, I just want to yell. It seems fun. Okay, now that made me want to lose, but I can't just make myself lose. That's against the rules. Come on, people. It's addition. You add the 2 numbers together to get another number. It's not that hard. Okay, that was fine. I won again. No surprise there. Okay, the person who created the game left. Let's see if a 4. Yeah, okay, let's start. Let's start this game. Here we go. Off to a good start. But the other contenders don't even contend. Again. What if I create a game and make it public? Because I got nobody to play with if it was private. And we're just going to see who joins. Okay, we got one person to join. Oh, okay. What the heck just happened? Okay, I guess we're starting. And it doesn't change a thing. Computer 4 is doing better than the other people. But soon they're going to be out of view. Like all the others did. He's giving it a good fight, but yeah, he just gave up. It's okay. You can get second place if you try hard enough. That was actually pretty close. I mean, not really, but I mean, a good second off. We're gonna join this game, and because I want to win, I want to yell something. I'm just gonna wait it out a little bit, just take my time. Like this. This is really sad. No, don't give up. I want to yell. Okay, we're just gonna wait at the end. Let's wait it out. Okay, go. Go, little one. Go. There you go. There you go. You won. It's okay. You won. And now it's time for me to yell. I think that was okay. That was a pretty loud yell. But guys, if you like this video, make sure to like because that's why it's called a like, because you like the video, and subscribe, and yeah, don't really have to say much more.